I'm Gary Lofthouse, Managing Director of Utility Oils. We are a service industry involved with power generation distribution. We've been in this world now for getting on for 40 years. We have very good friends, very good relationships, and a very good work ethic. We've been involved with Pleavin Power, more Jack, for the last 6-7 years. We've got a brilliant relationship with Jack and the team, whether it's from the office down or the fitters up. It only takes a phone call, they come here and they do what they're supposed to do. No complaints with anybody. Our actual work is very last minute, very high profile, and basically the transformer doesn't get turned back on until we've done what we need to do. In that instance, we need a generator that can power our equipment, hence our relationship with Jack, keep everything running as mechanically sound as we can. The approach to Pleavin is very, very easy. If it's an instant rush call, then it's a phone call to the office or Jack himself, which he always takes, or a planned maintenance, which was emailed through. There's a reply, there's correspondence both ways. We know when the guys are going to turn up, we make the equipment available, and it's done without any hassles or aggravation. Jack's guys are very good in what they do, in the respect that obviously they're knowledgeable with the engines, the whole equipment itself, as in the generator. The work is very clean, they're very friendly lads to work with, and they're a pleasure to have here. I wouldn't recommend anybody to go anywhere else other than Jack's. They're a whole pleasurable company to work with.